In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Play Store and getting this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Continue. Select Accept and tap on red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit while using the app in the pop-up, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on this pin on the left when recording is unpaused. Type in wherever you want to or not at all and hit OK. If you want to end and save your recording, select this check mark on the right. Then hit Save at the top right corner. To delete your recording right away, you can pause it and select Discard on the left. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To rename it, click on those three dots next to title of it. Hit Rename. Type in wherever you want to and hit OK. To delete it, you can click on the same three dots and select Delete option at the very bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to edit your recording, click on it and select those three dots at the top right corner of Voice Recorder app. Then hit Edit and change wherever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!